Hi friends, so welcome everyone to today's live trading video in Bank Nifty. From past few days, there is always a concern among everyone regarding the volatility which is happening in the market, and all are complaining about their straddles hitting regular stop losses. Okay, and also there is no much premium decay is happening. There's a lot of confusions, a lot of issues. Okay, so then I had told on my WhatsApp group as well as in Telegram group as well to please trade with faraway options. So please select 0.25 delta, or otherwise you can what you can do if you are not aware about deltas, just see what is the ATM prices of the straddle and then take 50% the premium and select those strike prices. Okay, say for example your ATM is 500, then go and search for a strike price which is having a value of 250. Thereby what happens is you will try to manage this delta which I am talking about to 0.25 delta. Okay, so to demonstrate that, I just thought I'll share today's video. If possible, I'll try uploading regularly as well. Hope probably hopefully I'll be in profits, but still I'll try to post the profits and losses. It's all part of learning. So today's video, as you all know, we ended up in good profit. So I'll just try to explain to you how I took the positions, how I did the adjustments, and let me tell you, these are all discretionary trading. I am full-time trader now. I'm sitting in front of the screen full-time, but still I do the just normal straddle, 930 straddle or 920 straddle, you call whatever it is. I just take the straddles and keep different kind of stop losses, take different entries. That's all. Apart from that, I do the adjustments based on the market movements. Okay, so I'm sure you'll have a lot of learning. So let us look into today's video as well and get and learn what we did today. Okay. Okay, so today market had a opening, but immediately you can see it it came down, and then I was afraid that the VIX also might increase because market was coming down. Okay, but nevertheless it was fine, and the positions which I have taken were as follows. So normally I enter straddle, but now you can see I have come down to 36,400 call and 34,400 put. These were exactly 0.25 delta. That was the reason why I took these positions. Okay, so now it's not time to be aggressive, friends. I have to, it's not only me, everyone are little bit of conservative because the volatility is very high. As you can see, VIX is almost 24, and today also VIX is raising, it's not coming down. So whenever the VIX comes below 15 or 20 or whatever it is, you can go back to the straddle. But as of now, I would say strangle is sufficient. Okay, so and also I have not entered the full quantity. I just wanted to see, being Friday today, I wanted to test the water initially. That's why I just took a small quantity of 800, and then I thought slowly I can start increasing the quantity as well. Okay, so this is positions for today, which I will be trading. I mean, which I have taken. Fine. So I just let us look into the open interest as well, if at all, if open interest is giving us any indication as to what is going to happen to the market today. Okay, but as per my observation, you can see it's almost neutral. There's hardly slight increase in call change, but you can see almost equal weightage on call and put. So I don't think there is going to be much. As of now, open interest is not giving us much direction as to what will happen or what can happen. So we need to go with technical analysis. So I will continue with the technical analysis. So as of now, with my indicators, as you can see, I'm using simple indicators, that is moving average, super trend, and RSI. That's all, nothing much. Okay, so it's again a neutral position. You can see still market is still in a neutral positions. It is below the super trend, and RSI also you can see is just not yet crossed 60. So I will just wait for this level, breakout of this level, particular level. Once if it breaks this level, then I can think about going long or something. Okay, so presently market is almost neutral, and you can see we're getting good theta decay, being Friday as well, and I need to add more positions now. So first let me take up the hedges. So always, friends, always we take hedges. It's like in this particular cases, if at all you want to add more quantity, and if at all you need more if you're not having capital and if you need to add, then you just have to make sure that 2000 points far you can go and take your hedge positions. That is what I'm basically doing. So once you can see at 38,500 I'm taking my hedge position. So once I buy this, I'll get extra capital, so then I can increase my quantities as well. Okay, so you need to do on both the sides, call and put, and then you can add your quantities. And I'm using the Sensible platform. Directly from this I can place my trades. It's very useful. I use the Sensible for tracking my OI, also the option chain, also for doing the adjustments, for adding quantities. I make use of Sensible. If at all you want to use Sensible, try out Sensible. You can use the link I put in the description of this video. It's very nice platform. Lot of information available. Yeah. So I'm just trying to place the quantities. I'll try placing for call and put, and also I will take my positions as well. So as of now you can see I have taken the call positions, and it's almost 2000 points far. You can go more far as well. You can go 2500 or close to 3000 points as well. But what happens is, like, again the capital requirement will increase. So if the capital increases, if at all you are having sufficient capital, then it is fine. But if you don't have sufficient capital, then what will happen is that you might have to come below 2000 as well. There were times when I used to take hedge of thousands also. That is when when 1000 points far will have very less premiums, like on Thursdays or something like that. You can almost come to 1000 points far also and take your hedges. And then what will happen? Capital required will reduce much, and then also you can take more positions. So Thursdays are the day we have to make full utilization of this facility. So that I'll do on Thursdays and show you if required. But for today, as of now, since being a Friday, the premiums are all very high, as you can see, some 30-40 levels. So we need to take at least 2000 point far. Okay, so presently you can see market is still in the sideways range, and I felt it is the right time to add on more positions. So you can see RSI also is still moving between the 60 and the 40 lines. So I just added my positions. I took the hedge and added positions. I tried adding how much I could maximum add. Okay, so as of now we are still having a neutral direction. You can see equal quantities of call I have taken and equal quantities of put also I have taken. And let me look into the open interest once again, if at all we are getting any sense of direction. Okay, so as of now I can see a little bit of calls are increasing, so we can expect the market to go down. That is what basically the option chain is telling us. But there is no big movement. I mean, there can't be big movement as well, because it's almost equally poised. So it's not that we should go fully naked down. We need to have a balance. It can reverse. Market can reverse at any moment. That's what open interest is basically telling us. If at all it gives a very clear direction when call rating will be very heavy. Okay, changing call interest also will be very heavy. That time we can get a clear indication as to what is market is trying to tell you. But now I can find that market is almost going to be neutral. Okay, so Friday market neutral is something very surprising, but unfortunately we are not going to get any premiums, theta decay. That's what basically I meant. We are not going to get any premium decay today. So let's see what is in store for us, and accordingly we will take a call. Okay, so presently time is around 12 o'clock, friends, and you can see that the market has started to cross down. It is started to crash down, and you can see I have reduced my put positions. Calls I have not touched as of now. I have maintained it same, but you can see puts I have reduced because I am not completely removing my puts. Reason because I don't want to take the risk. It can reverse any moment. So you can see I have closed down two put strikes, and also I have added. You can see this two puts I have closed, and I have added one extra call because I know that the market is going to go down. This is what technical analysis speaks to you, friends. It gives clarity in your direction as to which side. So till 12 o'clock market was almost sideways. Then after 12 you can see it has started to come down, and you can see even the RSI also has come below 40. Okay. So friends, now time is close to 1 o'clock, and you can see market after going down has started to reverse, which is not a good sign for us.
So you can see we were expecting the market to go down, and this was my position, but we can see the profits have reduced. But still, I'm the market is still going to go down as per me, because the open interest also says the same thing. The market is going down. So as of now, I've not done any adjustments. I've kept my positions the same. So presently, without doing any adjustments, you can see it's the same positions, and you can also see that the market is almost consolidated. There are small spikes. You can see the spikes here. It is just trying to go up again. There was a bit of spikes here. Again, there is one more big spike here. It was trying to go above the super trend and coming down. So friends, this was the beauty of trading with OTM strike prices. That is nothing but these triangles. So this kind of strikes will really save us, really help us. So even if you have trading with triangles, it will really it will make a cushion basically. Okay, you won't have the pain about taking the spikes. But our game was a game of patience today. We can see as of now we are in a profit of around 50,000 without any adjustments. As we can see here, it was 12:30 was the last adjustments, as I showed you. After that, there was no adjustments taken, and we are just maintaining a neutral position, not neutral position, slightly negative biased positions as of now. Okay, I'm still expecting the market to go down. Perfect. Okay, so now you can see time is close to 2 o'clock, and you can see the way market has started to come down. Our bias was that market will go down, and you can see that it has continued to come down. You can see it has come down, and that has really helped us now. Our positions are in good deep profits, and you can see close to 90,000 profit as of now, being Friday, and without any adjustments. After 12:30 there was no adjustments. I still never closed my entire put positions, friends. The problem with closing the entire position is, in case if it's a reversal, you'll make big losses. But I'm still holding with the positions. Okay, so now we are almost close to 3 o'clock. You can see slight zigzag movements were there in the market, but all this was saved by our strangle, that is OTM positions. So, and I thereby closed my positions at 3 o'clock. So you can see we made a decent profit of around 93,000. So it is around 1% of my capital. I trade with a capital of around 1 CR. So 1% on Friday, I would happily take it with both my hands. Okay, and we can have a very good weekend. And as I told you, the advantage of trading with strangles, this is the beauty. Today being Friday, even though having spikes, we got this decent profit. It's all because of the option strangles. Okay, so hope you like today's video. In case if you really like, please do press the like button, and also if at all any doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp on my number is 8095 876525, and let us look forward to good trading next week as well. Happy weekend. Thank you.